So we have shared the demo video and document in two ways. First way, YouTube, and second way we have shared in your email ID as well. Thank you for confirming, and let me open. So once again, provide your email ID and mobile number to receive today's demo video and document. And a couple of people called me yesterday in between these timings. Thank you so much. Still, other people want to discuss with me. Yes, kindly call me on this number. Right. So please do not write anything. Simply listen to the session. And we are in AI period. Simply listen to the session and I'll explain everything graphically. Don't try write anything. You will get a very clear material. And non-IT people, do not panic with the technical words. Since you're entering into IT industry, compulsory I have to use. And you're going to work on these technical concepts only. IT people, yes. Yesterday's session was very important to understand what is BA, how BA progresses, etc. And today's class will give you some more knowledge because I'm going to implement one small practical. And don't consider it as a demo and don't write anything. As I said, today is the second demo and regular classes from tomorrow at 7 a.m. The objective of the training, very detailed subject, entry oriented, and PL 300 subject coverage. These three I'm covering. There are two demo classes. First demo, it was happened yesterday. I took introduction for 20 minutes and complete understanding from data to fabric, a theoretical part for 45 minutes, 45 or 50 minutes. And second demo today, 7:10 a.m. I started. 8:10 a.m. I'm going to close. Regular classes from tomorrow at 7 a.m. 7 to 8 a.m. sharp. And today's agenda. So in today's session, I will give you a recap for 10 minutes, previous class. And then practical part, I will show you for next 45 minutes. Now coming to recap. Yesterday, I explained about our institute details, course duration, etc. And my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm a working BA consultant. The duration for the course is 60 hours, 50 to 60 hours. In case you're looking for fast track, call me on this number. We don't have fast tracks actually, but I will tell you my classes how to complete in fast track way in less time. Within a month, within a month, multiple case studies we will discuss. So that you can learn better subject in a month. That is sufficient if you want to try for interviews and all. Next month, we will move to the subject. So this is a pattern we are following. The reason students will engage in the case studies. They like it, they love it. That's the reason we are taking subject later on. All the real-time situations in the case studies we are going to cover. And daily my class is 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And 2 Saturdays in a month, we will be having classes. Daily live class video you will receive. Access given till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Solid theory and practical material. And coming to prerequisite, nothing is required. Knowledge on Excel or knowledge on SQL added advantage. Any graduate can learn Power BI. And Power BI full support to graphical operations with less code. No need to write much code in Power BI. It's a fully graphical user interface component. Drag and drop, right click, wizard. These kind of operations we have in Power BI level. So we can implement the task much easily. And the training is from basics to advanced. In a simple and but detailed manner. As I said yesterday, this is related to project. I'm going to cover project environment, and this is a subject. Kindly go to yesterday video so that you will understand what I'm going to cover. 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies, 3 to 4 hours SQL I'm giving, but this is not sufficient for your interview trials and working in the real time. So learn whole course wherever you want to learn. Even we offer whole course. Learn and prioritize 9 topics. There are 9 important topics you can prioritize. As you're joining in warehousing environment, so warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, Agile methodology, GitHub versioning, this all required. Yes, I'm going to cover. Tabular cube knowledge also I'm covering. Slowly you'll understand what are all this, but this comes under project environment related information. Resume preparation, I will cover FAQs, mock interviews, all. Power BI level cloud concepts I will cover, even on-premises concepts I will cover. Power Apps and Power Automate understanding for 4 hours. This is just recap. So from institution side, theory, practical material, and the training is complete practical auto training. You will be having very good interaction with me during the classes. Daily live class videos you will find. Resume preparation. WhatsApp group for our discussions and daily updates and many more. Daily live class videos anyway you will find. FAQ is also discussed. So my training is suitable, less than 5 years experience to keep in your profile. Your total experience may be different, but technically Power BI side less than 5 only you can climb. Power BI developer, DAX, and SQL. First opportunity, support resource, admin resource. These three confidently you can try after this course. And 90% opportunities, Power BI plus SQL. So I'm covering this DAX for 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours. I'll give you good awareness of the DAX. So this is sufficient. My course is more than enough to try this. In this combination, we have combination also opportunities available. Here 200% sufficient because they will not expect much content while you go for combinations. And you want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI level only. Yes. Power BI modeler role, designer role, specialist role, architect role available. But without working on one or two projects end to end, it is not possible. Work on one or two projects end to end, then only you get sufficient knowledge to try on this. So this is about our institute details. And yesterday I given a subject understanding of each and every component: data, IT application, BA application, Power BI, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric. This I give an explanation for 50 minutes yesterday. Kindly watch yesterday's video. It is very important. And Power BI is part of Microsoft Fabric. And what is Power BI? I explained all this stuff. What is Power BI? First of all, what is BI? In brief, business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. Simply decision making or analysis of the business. And it is a process of converting your normal data into decision making data and presenting in the form of visuals and insights. And BI applications input any data. Output is report or dashboard. This kind of reports or dashboards we develop in BI. And what are the differences also I explained last class. Now coming to Power BI. And BI also, legacy BI, middle-aged BI, modern BI, 3 BIs available. And Power BI comes under modern BI. So Power BI. In the modern BI level, cloud operations, mobile and tab friendly operations, maximum data support in the IT, and easy placing in other areas. Embedding meaning the respective BA reports you can place easily in the Facebook, Twitter, etc. areas. And modern BA applications, low code and self-service. Everything we can do in the single area. And Power BI comes under modern BI. These all operations it will provide support. And this is a number one modern BI. Even I showed you the statistics. I opened a couple of links yesterday and showed how Microsoft is the leader. Microsoft is the leader for the last 16 years. And these were the definitions I concluded yesterday. Power BI, adding power to existing BI. Already MSBI available. For this MSBI, more power is added. That is Power BI. It's a low code. We write less code in Power BI. Cloud support available, on-premises also available. Cloud, somebody else storage. On-premises, within the organization storage, both are possible. It is self-service BA. So end-to-end, if you pass your data, and it will give you a report or dashboard. End-to-end, it will do the complete process. And finally gives a report or dashboard. So Power BI is a low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive self-service BA application which generates reports or dashboard from the data. Announced in July 2013, and we have monthly update. From July 2013 to till this month, we have updates. And it's a low-code platform. Got great applause from all companies. Many companies liked it. So Microsoft given one more low-code platform area, that is a Power Platform in 2019. Here Power BI is the first application, Power Apps second, Power Automate third application, Virtual Agent fourth application, Power Pages fifth application. There are 5 applications in the Power Platform. All are low-code applications. Now, Fabric. Now, Power BI part of Fabric. What is Fabric? An AI-based solution for data integration, solution, or suite for the below operations. First one, data integration. Second one, data storage. Third one, reporting. Fourth one, monitoring and data governance. These 4. And 2023, July. For data integration, we use ADF, Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory. Storage, we use Synapse. It's a component. For reporting, we use Power BI. So Power BI part of Fabric. So you guys going to learn Power BI, which is part of Fabric. So any support, any help, and Fabric team only will provide you moving forward. This is the first point and last point in the recap. Okay with this, everyone? Right. So online people, if you want to ask any questions, just kindly ask. Even offline people, ask your questions. If you have any doubts in the yesterday's discussion and today's recap, kindly ask. And who all not yet provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide in the chat room. In case you want to discuss about your career profile, or you have a couple of doubts, call me on this number. I will address all your questions. So this is a folder created for your batch. This is a Google Drive. Here is a place where all videos available. And this is a checklist what I'm going to cover in the next 60 hours, very clearly available. If you want me to open the checklist, this is a checklist, very systematic training. No confusion during the classes. Even you are absent, you will get the video. Happily, you can continue. So all topics, what I'm going to cover in the next 60 hours. Clearly mentioned. Demos, 2 hours. MSBA versus Power BI versus Azure BA, And demo overview, 1 hour. Accounts, case studies. And these topics individual, Power BI service, how long I'm covering, extracting data, what I'm extracting, Power Query concepts, how long I'm going to cover, data modeling, how long we are going to cover, everything individually available. This is already placed. This is our reference. And course progress. Now videos. First demo video yesterday happened, and the demo video, demo content. And similarly, second demo video you will receive today. Don't worry. Right, sir. Now let me explain today's fresh part. First one, Power BI total components I will explain, and we'll see a small practical. So Power BI available as a cloud. Cloud means somebody else storage. So this is Microsoft storage. On premises within the organization. So this is on premises, your organization or your storage, your system storage. Right. So people who prefer cloud, 90% people preferring cloud, 5% people preferring on premises. Who prefers cloud need one report development component, that is desktop. This is the first component. Power BI desktop. It is a report development component. It uses these concepts and develop a report. This is a concept 1, Power Query. Concept 2, Power Pivot. Concept 3, Power View. Concept 4, Power Map. It will use these concepts and develop a report. Those reports and dashboard stored and managed in the cloud level. This is the URL to connect to cloud. If you want to connect to Google Cloud, Google Drive is a cloud. How do you connect? drive.google.com. That is a URL. Similarly, Power BI Cloud, you want to connect app.powerbi.com. Here, the developed report stored and managed. Second component. And from here only the customers, the management team, the users, the analysts, data scientists, data stewards, everyone will access the reporting information, take effective decisions from here only, not here. And if you go for on-premises, report development component is this, report server desktop. Compared to this, limited features it has. Here you will find more features, here you will find limited features. And this is your server, your organization server where you place the reports. So company people will contact the organization server and they will access the reports. This is the third component in Power BI, and this is a fourth component in the Power BI. And the desktop, whatever you're able to see, it will develop a report called non-paginated report. Non-paginated report. And this is also for non-paginated report. And report builder, this is the fifth component for paginated reporting. So what it is? You will come to know slowly, don't worry. This is the fifth component. And this is the sixth component, own visuals generation. In case you want to generate own graphical visuals, you go to developer. This is the seventh component, embedding. You can keep Power BI reports in Facebook, Twitter, and websites, portals, etc. area by using embedding concept. And eighth component, gateway. It is not mentioned here, gateway. So these are the 8 components we are having in Power BI. I will give very detailed understanding about this tomorrow. Tomorrow's session is understanding on this in detail. Now I'm going to explain this desktop, how it is helpful to develop a report, and how does it perform these operations. So my practical on this to show you how it is developing a report very easily with low code. Any questions from anyone? This practical I will show you now. Okay, thank you. What is desktop? Desktop is graphical operations area. Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop. So these are the places we will perform operations graphically. And the input to desktop is data. Any data it will take. And output from Power BI desktop is PBX file, Power BI file. Some people call it as a report. So Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. So we're going to work on graphical operations area with low code. Low code. Then what are the hardware software requirements needed? I will tell you minimal now, but detailed one in the regular class tomorrow, because we don't have much time. So Windows 8 or above sufficient, but Windows 10 is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM is required. 4 GB or above is good. Minimum 1.5 gigahertz processor is required. 2 above is good. And nowadays, all the machines having this minimum configuration. No need to worry. All the machines having this. And you can download this Power BI desktop in 3 ways. First one, Google it, advanced download, Google it, Microsoft Store download, and go to Power BI cloud service, download it 3 ways. But BNC required account. Account required, account required. That is Power BI account. So tomorrow I will show you with Power BI account, how do we download. As you don't have any account, how to download now I will explain. Today's example, everyone can practice. Simple example. Please practice. Please practice it. Feel comfortable. And then continue the sessions. Shall I? Right. So I'm going to this, just Google it, Power BI and desktop download. Download Power BI desktop from the official website. Anything is fine. You can click on it. Power BI desktop. But always read the description, whatever they provided. You will understand what it does. And also read the details, the description, system requirements. I will explain this in detail tomorrow. Installation instructions. Almost next finish only. Read this. Don't ask anyone at any time regarding this installation. Just Google it, download it, follow download time requirements. So these requirements you follow. Download time. Microsoft keep on changing it. No need of anybody's help. Just click download. And we are having two types of software. One is 32-bit system type software. And this is 64-bit system type software. So which one we need to download? Go to your machine. This is your search area. Type sysinfo, system information. It will tell you about your system. Click on this. This is your system. (64-bit) 64 based PC. So what I need to download? I need to download 64-bit. Download. Size 479 MB. Once you download, it will be downloaded like this. Go to this. Click on it. Next, finish mostly. Or follow wizard instructions. It will show you some instructions, just follow. If it is completed, hardly 1 minute time or 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Once it is done, you will find on your desktop like this. Power BI desktop. This is a tool ready. So installation is very simple. The report development component installation, no license is required. Second, what I'm going to explain, tool is ready, but what I'm going to explain, this example I want to show. This is my family data. You can say transactional data, normal data, daily transaction, so-and-so day, amount, data, location, date, amount, data, location. And this is a software. Power BI desktop is a software. Our application. This application is called self-service BI application. This is used to develop a report or dashboard like this. So this will take this will provide this. So input, output. But in between what it does, this is a process. This is between. So this component will take the data. If the data not in proper shape, it will transform. In case multiple tables available, relationships, calculations. If security required, apply security. Finally, present like this visuals. This is a visual present. And the data is called BA data. So this component only does this operation. Please look at this and ask your question. Anyone having any questions? Don't feel panic with this process. It's a fixed process. You feel bored after 2 days because daily we come across this and daily we implement this. Fixed process, standard process. Right. Now, where is the data? This data I will show you. Tool is ready. This data I will show you. Deep drive. Click on. This is my file, family expenses file. You can see that. So description. This is one family expenses for 19 and 20 years. Render date reported by Mr. Kishore. Something to understand about the file. And these are the columns: date, amount, reason, area, location available. This data I want to use for better analysis. Analysis in the sense, for which reason I spend more money, for which reason I spent less money. In a year, August, how much I spent, and in July, how much I spent. And Moti Nagar, how many times I traveled, and Hyderabad, how many times I visited. Everything I want to find out. That is called decision making or analytical operations. Then how do we do it? How do we create such kind of analytical report like this? Very simple. First, open the desktop. Click on it, open. And online people, don't feel panic. If you go with little faster in the navigations, it's not a regular class, just demo. I will show you some overview. In the regular class, I will go slowly and give you detailed steps. But see the ease of operations to generate reports. Once you open, you will get this screen. This is called Get Started screen. Use it for quick links. Explain it tomorrow. It takes some time. I'll explain this tomorrow. Close it. This is a main screen. And some people say self-service BA screen. So if the data, it will extract, data transform, data model it, relationships and calculations. Later, security. And finally, visuals, fixed process, BA data. This is what you are going to implement for every report, same process. Consider data retrieval first part, because without retrieval, how come you perform operations? If data is not in shape, second step, security, relationship and calculations, third part, security, fourth one, and fifth one. So where do we find it? In this tool. This is the first area to extract. Second area to transform. Third area, modeling. Fourth area, even this is also modeling. 3 and 4 here. And this is the area of 5 visuals. So these visuals we will take. And this data we will take data. And this is called visualization pane. Visuals available. And this is data set pane or data pane. Pane is a rectangle with options. Pane is a rectangle with options. This is filter pane, filter options. Filter pane, filter options, visualization pane, visual options, data set pane, data options. And this is called report view. This is called data view or grid view. And this is called relationship view or model view. If multiple tables available, relationships required. And whatever the white area you are able to see, this is called canvas, report canvas. And this is an area where we see multiple pages. Multiple pages. And here you will see the storage mode, data set, storage mode. So what are the data set having the storage mode in this area? And this is quick save. And this is title. On top I'm explaining. And this is account. I already connected with account. This is minimizing, maximizing, closing. And what are the part you are able to see? These are called menu tabs. Right now home is underlined and this is called home ribbon. Like this, there are many options available in the screen. And these options explanation in detail, I will give you in tomorrow's session or day after tomorrow's session. And on top of all, the most beautiful point, it's a colorblind friendly screen. Colorblind people can work. Okay. Now, in my current session, we have data. So first we'll extract. Transformation. Transformation. Yes, I know my data is not in proper shape. Transformation also we need to implement. Relationships. Relationships not required because only one table, but calculation required. I will implement this modeling. Security not required in our current situation. Visualization required, fifth or canvas part. So I will implement now how to extract the data, how to transform the data, how to create calculations, how do we use on the visuals. This part I'm going to cover. In the case studies level, you learn more and more about all these sections very easily. So very in depth. And guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room so that this video document, we have a detailed practice document that I will share with you. Today's practical document also you will receive. Whatever I'm doing, the document also you will receive. This is the document. So happily you can practice. Demo example practical step. Like this, you will get a clear material for all topics. What is extraction? What is transformation? What is modeling? Why do we require which visual? Everything clearly mentioned. Hardware, software requirements. Steps to follow. A clear material, you will find it. Practical flow. No need to feel panic. You will get clear material. Right. What to do first? Get data. Click on this. It is our Excel sheet. Demo class Excel sheet, but regular class level databases we work on, cubes we work on, JSON files we work on, web we work on, multiple sources will work. As I said earlier, I closed it. Multiple sources will work. Now we need to bring data from Excel, click Excel. Where is Excel? In my lab backup folder, general files, and this is the Excel sheet. Just open. I'll give you the file also for your practice, don't worry. Select it. This is your input, load. So you got the data. It is available here in the data area. You can expand. It is not in proper shape. So how can I see the data? Go to this data view. It will show you. So what I did, I extracted. So we got this. This is the first one. If you want to see the data, go to this second one. Right. Now let me click on this data view. See the data. Is it in proper shape? It's not in
No.
proper shape. Proper shape in the sense, if column by column available, then it is called shape. And from this data, we need to remove this. And this is supposed to be the column heading, date and all. This is supposed to be the column heading. So first step, second step we need to do. Third step, if you are analyzing area separately, location separately, we need to split this. Area and this. This you need to split. Third step. So to make this data in proper shape, compulsory 3 steps required. 1, 2, 3. Where do we do that? I said second area. Go to this. This is the first area completed. Now transformation, second area. Click transform data. So it opened a separate window. So one window for operations, that is Power Query window. And it will do extraction and transformation, two operations. Many transformations available. This is called ET area, extract transform area. Only one component. If your operation is completed and you want to close it, just go to this area and close it. Close and apply. In this area, we close it. So that you will come back to this. So because when you clicked on it, you got this window. And if you want to close it, go to this and close. Right. Please look at this. Ready, sir? What I want to do, this first record, if I remove it, this you can take like heading. So only one record I want to remove. Here we have options in this area. Remove top row. I will mention one. Number of rows to remove, one. So first row removed, okay. Where is that option? Click on this, you will get that. And I want to consider this first row as header. Click on it, use first row as header. Ready. Simple. So 2 steps completed. Next, this I want to split into 2 parts, area, location. Just highlight that. Only that I want to split. So highlight that. Right click. There is something called split column by delimiter. By using delimiter split. Asking, Babu, on what basis you want to split? Here 2 hyphens available. 2 hyphens. So mention here 2 hyphens. That's it. Split the data by 2 hyphens. Click OK. See, the column split into 2 parts. Change the titles. Not looking good. Just go here. Area. Click on it. Go here. Location. This is area. This is location. As your operation is completed, you close this. Close this window. How? Go to this. Close means simply it will close. It will not save the changes. Apply means it will simply apply the changes. Close and apply means closes, but after applying changes. After applying changes. Okay. Right. Now I will click on this, close and apply. Now click on this data area. You see the information. Data area, date, amount, reason, area, location. Is it in proper shape?
No.
Yeah, it's in proper shape now. So in real time, while generating a report, first step, second step, third step, sequentially we go. And first is completed, second required, so I applied it. Now third one, model view. Here is a place relationships established. But only one table now, no relationships. This is not required. And go to security, fourth step, not required. Why fourth step is not required? Security, we did not discuss in our case level, so it's not available. But visualization required. This is an area visuals we will take. So these visuals and this data we will take. Right. First, what I want to show. I want to show total discount fee. Click a card visual. I'm going to explain one visual. This will show single value. Just high level only, guys. Look into this and feel comfortable. Low level we will see in detail in the regular classes. This is to show single value. This is to have manual filter in the report level. This is a bar chart used for comparisons. This is a mapping used to generate mapping information. This is a pie chart used for compositions, percentages. So these 5 visuals I will show you. First, I want to show my total spending. So click card visual. First one. I don't require filter now. Card visual. This is fields area. For every visual, first area, data area. Second area, format area. Which area? Format. I'll take data here. So I will take data, amount, drag and drop. From here we need to take. It's coming sum, no problem. I need average also. So click on the card visual, one more card. Average required, drag and drop sum. There's a drop down here. Click on this, average. These are the calculations you can perform automatically. Now click on the card visual. Locations, count I want. How many locations is traveled? So drag and drop location, click on this and count. So single values they will show you. In the material very clearly explained what card visual will do. Though it is a demo, I clearly explained. Card displays single value. Table, column by column data. And I want to format this because the look and feel, I'm not feeling comfortable. So go to this. This is the data area. Now format area. Go to format. And this is called callout value. And this is called category label. So format area. Do it. Callout value. Bold. 30 size I want. Display units, not thousands. None. And I will take a color called blue color. Now go to label. Bold. Pink color. And this I will take 15 size or 17 size, 18 size. Done. Only this. And I want to take a border for this. Go to general area. Here, general settings available. FX. Visual border on. You can ask me, how do we remember? If you practice 1 or 2 times, easily remember. No coding, right? So here, normal settings, here, general settings. General FX, visual border on. Ready. The same format I want require here and here. Then click on this. I highlighted it. Click on it. Click on this. Click on this. This is called format painter. Click on this. Successfully completed. I took one card visual. I took one field. I formatted. This is sum. And this is average. And this is count. But I want to change this based on the year and month. Guys, slicer, which will give you user interaction. Take a slicer. And here I want to expand the date, expand the hierarchy, take year here. Year ready. But if you are okay with this, no problem. Otherwise, go to format area. First area data, second format. Slicer setting, this setting. Here we have options. If you want button format, tile. Tile will give you buttons like this. If you want drop down format, drop down. User selection. Anyway, I am giving list format, list. I will format this. This is header, these are values. So first, what type you want, you will select. Header in this area, formation. Value in this area, formation. Header, bold, 20 size, font color, this, year, this color. Values, bold, 18 size, blue color. You can minimize. Take a border, general, FX, routine but border on. Similarly, I want month. Go to this, Control C, Control C, Control V. Month selection also I want to give. Here you take month. Take month. But there are many months available. I want only 2 months. For example, only 2 months required. You need to filter this. As you need to filter this, go to filter. Only this you want to filter. Filter on the visible. So filter pane. This you want to filter. Filter on the visible. Just expand this. What are the months you want? I want July month, August month. Only 2 I want to show 2. Just a casual practice. How to filter. Ready. So I selected this. No coding. What happens if you select 19? 19 data everywhere. If you select August, 19 August. 19 August total average count of locations. So in 19 August, I traveled to 25 locations. My average spending is this. My total spending is this. 20 August, 24 locations I travel, average amount and total amount. This is how interactive reporting we will create. These are values show, but I want to compare for which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money. Then go to comparison visual bar chart. So empty area, bar. I'll place like this. Y-axis, this is called Y-axis, this is called X-axis. Y-X. It's a row bar. So Y-axis always we take category. Here we need to take category. Here we need to take value. So Y-axis level reason I will take. X-axis level amount I will take. It clearly shows. If you want to see bigger, click focus view. Food amount 1,34,000. Travel 46,000. Petrol 8,500. So food and travel more spending. Petrol and books less spending. You are able to compare it. So you can select a period. In the period, high spending, low spending, you can see. And go to this general FX border. So whatever you're able to see, reason, sum of amount, that is called tooltip. What do we call it? Tooltip. Next, I want to show location wise how much money I spent. Then take a pie chart. Take location in the legend level, category level, amount here. Now explore bigger, see that. Hyderabad 40% money I spent. Vishakhapatnam 40%. Vijayawada 15%. Siddipet 2%. Suripet 1.3%. I did not write any code. I'm just taking the columns and placing here. But on what basis we place, that is a different story. But easy or not, try to focus. No calculation I wrote. Nothing I wrote. I'm able to generate wonderful visuals. Just taking the columns. General, FX, on. And I want to show the locations also, where I moved. Go to mapping visual. Click map visual. Location. I want to show location. So locations, what are the locations I traveled? It is showing. Focus mode. See that. Hyderabad location. Khammam location. Surapet. But I want to show business also because only location I mentioned, location it is showing me. Business also you want to show, come down, bubble size, amount. Wherever more business, bigger bubble. Wherever normal business, normal bubble. Vijayawada normal, and here more. Okay, good. So this is how we will develop a map visual. So if you select 19 spendings, 19 reason comparison, 19 locations, what I traveled, 19 location, high and low. July, 19 July locations, 19 July spendings, 19 July high. See, 19 July level traveling more money I spent in internet list money. Like this, you can get it. And this is called as a document since you are able to extract, transform, visualize, model. So this is called a document. You can save like this. File menu, save. And I will go to documents. So in Vinay Tech demo report 040124. And what is the extension? PBAX. Word document saved with .docx. Excel document saved with .xlsx. Power BI document saved with .pbax. It's a document, so X is extension. So PBAX. Click save. So customers never require this extraction area, transformation area. They always require this reporting area. How do we move it? So this we need to move to cloud. And share. Remember the point? This is the area we share to customers. So need to move to cloud and share to customers in case you want to share. How is it possible? That is later story. So I thought of explaining report development and self-service BI end-to-end process. Yes, completed. A report storing and sharing in the regular class. So anything complex in practice level, report development level? No logics, but one logic area available called DAX. In this area, we write calculations. And this language is called modeling and analysis language. Modeling and analysis language. And this will take some time, 10 to 12 hours. I will explain you, don't worry. It is close to Excel functions. That's it. And I planned for today one example. Your data to report generation successfully completed. Our 2 demos which I planned are successfully completed. First demo, introduction 20 minutes, data to fabric understanding. Second demo, today, practical demo completed. And tomorrow onwards, regular class at 7 o'clock, 7 to AM, 8 AM sharp. And my course objective, very detailed subject coverage with case studies, real-time approaches, and entry-oriented subject provided, PL 300 examination support provided. These three. And I request everyone kindly practice today's example, feel comfortable and continue from tomorrow. And who all not yet provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number again. Today's video and document you will receive. In case you're really looking for a good subjective trainer, good real-time approaches, definitely I'm one of the best trainer. Confidently, you can join in our institute. Yes, ask your questions. I'm done from my side.